Okay, this is example 2 on trigonometry part 3 notes. And the question wants us to find, this question wants us to find the length of AC. And remember, when we label sides, we look at the opposite side. And so I'd probably label this, I'll probably label it, if I do it in red, little b, because it's opposite big B. And then opposite capital A would be little a. So, and if we remember the law of sines, we just had it. One of the versions of it was this. Was A over sine A equals B over sine B. So if we put our numbers in, that's pretty easy. A is 350 over sine of 59 equals B over the sine of 38 degrees. So I'm going to write up at the top on the other side there. So I'm going to go up here and write. So if I rearrange this and I cross multiply, so I'm going to cross multiply these two. I'm going to cross multiply these two. I'm going to get B times the sine of 59 equals 350 times the sine of 38. Then I'm going to divide both sides by the sine of 59 to get B by itself. Whoops. So these cancel out. And I'll divide this by sine 59. So I get B equals 350 times the sine of 38 over the sine of 59. Now if you want, you can figure out each of the decimals for it. I'm going to type it as one thing. Now the only thing to make sure is when you actually go to type this in, if you're doing it one, make sure you put your parentheses on your calculator so you don't start dividing 38 by the sine of 59. You want the sine of 38 divided by the sine of 59. So I'm going to put that in the calculator and I'll get 350 times, make sure you're in degree mode as always, times the sine of 38 divided by the sine of 59. And I get B equals 251.4 centimeters. And that seems pretty good, but how do we know that we're even close? Well, we can do some simple checking. Remember, the angle opposite a side controls how big it is. If we look here, 38 is smaller than 59, so B should be less than A, because 30 is 8 is less than 59. So remember, this controls this controls that in the triangle. So it seems reasonable, so we're in good shape.